Hi, welcome to Fox ERP video tutorial. In this video, we will learn about how to create a newsletter using Fox ERP. Go to the awesome bar and search New Newsletter. You will see this newsletter section here. Let's create a newsletter for a product introduction. We will say a few words about a product over here. For instance, let's create a newsletter on Fox ERP. Let's add here, Fox ERP is the best alternative to any other ERP solutions. Now, likewise, we can add some more introductions over here. At the bottom, we have the Send Unsubscribe link button here. So, whenever we send an email to a particular group and if any recipients no longer wish to have further emails from our side, they can select this unsubscribe button. So that is what it's about. Before sending, let's add an email group. Let's choose a test template so there is one subscriber in it right now. We can also schedule it if we want to send it for tomorrow or any time we want to. But for testing purposes, let's send it now. So before sending I'll save it. Also, before sending, we can see how the newsletter is looking. So now let's send this and all the recipients will receive this newsletter shortly. I hope you found this video tutorial useful. For more details and a free sign-up, check foxerp.com. Thanks for watching.